Hello loves, welcome back to the channel. Hasi Christian here. Let's dive into the preparation of this simple Angwamo recipe while discussing the new movie Fame and Fury. For this recipe you will need your rice, corned beef, spaghetti, oil, onions and some eggs. So let's get into the movie. Fame and Fury was released this year and is a Bimbo Adimoye production. Bimbo is one of the new actresses who has carved a niche for herself in the movie industry, the African movie industry. Her movies are usually shown on YouTube, and her current Fame and Fury stars herself, Daniel Etim and Uzo Arukwe. I don't know if I got the names right, please forgive me. We know most African movies are based on relationships because the Africans, this is no different, it's no different from the other movie. But there's a twist here. Normally it will be a boy meets girl or a girl meets boy. Boy doesn't treat girl right. Girl leaves and finds a new boy. New boy treats the girl right, and that will be it. They have a happy ending. But this particular movie, let's get into the movie. This movie is about an upcoming actress who was dating a very wealthy man. He was an oil tycoon. She had a great passion for acting and she wanted to make it in Nollywood. But it was like her boyfriend was the weapon fashioned against her. He wanted to get married to a corporate girlie, but like this actress wasn't having it. So fast forward, the relationship ended and they had to go their separate ways. So they both moved on with their lives. The actress went back into acting and the oil tycoon went back into tycoon. So the actress became she became what she wanted to become. She became a household name. So in the course of work, she met this upcoming actor and I think sparks flew and like they started going out. And because the actor was an upcoming, the actress used her influence to get him to the top, and soon he was also a household name. But come to think of it, like who wouldn't like this? You find yourself in the same industry with your girlfriend, but she's already established. And she used her influence to help you get to the top of the ladder. Like who wouldn't appreciate it? But human beings, there, you can't trust us enough. So this guy started acting up. He started acting up. He started acting up. He was even jealous of his girlfriend. Her success was annoying him. He was even denying her publicly that like they are just friends. Like who does that? So that's the twist of the movie. Normally we might think because she left the first boyfriend, she will get another boyfriend and like they will click and everything will be fine, everything will go back to normal and they will have this dream wedding. But it wasn't the case. She married or she got into a relationship with her enemy. Ankasa. The guy was annoying. Uzo, he was annoying. I even vowed not to watch his movies again because he was very annoying. The way he treated the girl bad. He treated someone who has helped you achieve your goals within a short time, and you turn back and bit the fingers that fed you. It is well. But that's the world we find ourselves in now. You can never trust anyone, not even your shadow. That's what I learned from the movie. Have you watched Fame and Fury? How was it? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the story as well. I'll see you in my next video. Hasi Christian here. Bye.